Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make taco green sauce only way. Roast tomatillos and jalapenos, then blend with cilantro, onion, lime juice, garlic, and salt until smooth. Taste and adjust heat. Use a little water to thin to desired consistency. Serve immediately on tacos, grilled meats, or as a dip. Store leftovers in an airtight container for up to 5 days in the fridge. Make it milder by removing seeds or hotter by adding serranos. Start by prepping fresh ingredients and tools: a skillet, blender, and measuring spoons. Lightly char tomatillos, jalapenos, and onion for smoky depth, then peel if needed. Blend with a generous handful of cilantro, lime juice, garlic, and salt until bright and creamy. Adjust texture with cold water and balance acidity with more lime if needed. Chill briefly to let flavors meld before serving for the best consistency and flavor. Enjoy. Enjoy a simple variation by roasting the vegetables until char marks appear for deeper flavor, or keep them raw for a fresher taste. Add avocado for creaminess, yogurt for tang, or a splash of olive oil for silkiness. For preserving color, squeeze lime juice right after blending. Always taste and season with salt, and remember that flavors tighten after chilling, so adjust seasoning before serving. Serve with warm corn tortillas for authentic tacos.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.